item number 11383 with M&M Equipment Corp. Here we have an MTC HLC-2 cart lift. This is all stainless steel construction. It has a 800-pound capacity. As well as a safety anti-drop locking mechanism. Has brand new locking casters, as well as that locking foot there. You have a few dump height adjustments you can set it to. 90 inches with a 400-pound buggy, and 80 inches with a 600-pound buggy. It does include a removable chute that reduces the dump height. And this is all powered on 240 volts, 3-phase. Now we'll give you a demonstration. We'll bring it up. Pivot point. And we'll bring it back down. Very nice and quiet machine. Again, this is item number 11383 with M&M Equipment Corp. Come check it out.